Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is part 5 of Before You Buy That Amazon Course for those thousands upon thousands of dollars. Now, in the last video, we were talking about BrickSeek and online arbitrage and how you can use it. Now, I did find a couple products on what you can sell. What you have to do is go through Jungle Scout, and then video 3 I detail what Jungle Scouts actually is and how you use that. Now, I did find some online things that we can probably arbitrage. Now, there's not going to be by specific brand name, and you have to make sure that you can sell these on Amazon. So, what I did was I took this projector. So we took the projector and we actually looked it up. I know on video 4 we were looking on the actual store site, but we actually want to start looking on Amazon's site to see how much it sells for. I think I made a miscalculation of putting it on the store site instead of going to the actual website of Amazon. So this one is used like new for $99. This one is $120. As you can see, it's right there. It does have the Roku stick there, so it got free shipping. It looks like it's sold by potentially other ones. Okay, one ships and sells for 99, 199. So some of these. So if you can get in, this is gonna cost you $40. If you can sell it brand new for $99 or even 100 or either $115 or something, just undercut your competition there. I think it was 118. So if you can undercut your competition there, you can actually get it as 120. Okay, so if you're gonna get it to 115, you buy about, this is only $40. So you can actually buy these. Maybe you can buy 2 or 3 of them, and then make a pretty good profit off of that. So what I did, instead of looking for the Pacific product and see where it is, I wanted to see if portable projectors were actually selling. And right now they're selling at hotcakes, like hotcakes. Look, 54,000 people in 30 days. Search this. This trend is up 62,000. And why is video projectors going up today? Is because of the coronavirus, and you can't go to your average movie theater, or you want to do something outside, or a lot of people are buying homes now. The housing market is still pretty people are still pretty much buying houses right now. So, in 30 days, in the broad search is 88,000. So, what I would do is I'm actually going to purchase this, wait for the shipment, and then after we purchase this, I'm actually going to do a video on how to send this into Amazon, and then how to market this. Uh, Amazon does have some marketing tools inside of Amazon, but then there's also Facebook marketing tools, marketing things you can do on Facebook. You can actually bundle this with something like maybe you can drop ship a chair. Once we get started to get into drop shipping in the next few videos, you can drop ship a chair and then have this as a bundle with a nice chair from Wayfair or any of those sites that does like outdoor sittings or anything like that. So yeah, guys, so we're gonna go over in more details in the videos coming up further. We kind of want to make these videos short and sweet. The reason why I want to make them short and sweet is so you guys can actually get out there and do the work, and get a feel for it, instead of watching 20-minute long videos and then you become bored to death, or you might not be in tune. So keeping these videos short and sweet get you into that space of let me go check it out. Maybe you can research and do some more product research. Again, look, this projector too is going for this one is $79. and this one is $99. I mean $99 and 8. Yeah, so that's not a lot of project profit margin there after the fees of Amazon. And I think in the next video I want to actually show you how to break down the fees of Amazon. I know I did that in video 2. I just touched on it slightly, but I think in the next couple videos we're gonna actually go through some tools, maybe some Cama or any other of those tools that you can actually purchase to make sure that something's selling, and then if something is the pricing and the fees. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Now in the next video we're actually gonna start talking about wholesale, how you can build your own brand in the next coming video. So I think we're pretty much done with retail, and maybe I'll go back and do another recap of retail after these come in, after these projectors come in. We're gonna do retail, a recap of retail, and then online arbitrage. But now we want to kind of make start moving forward into the drop shipping aspect of it. Again, you don't want to drop ship from retail stores such as Walmart or Target or something, but there are drop shipping sites, and then we're going to go strictly into wholesale. Okay, guys, click like, subscribe in the video. If you need anything else, give me a shout out in the comment section. We'll see you next time in the next video.